Welcome to the routine maintenance series. Today in the second episode I'll replace the rocker cover gasket on a 2010 Vauxhall Astra H 1.6. As you can see, this one needs replacing as it's allowing oil to seep out around the sides. It's a very easy job that you can do yourself and it's very similar on most vehicles. The first task is to remove the series of 10 E10 bolts that hold the rocker cover to the top of the cylinder head. Then remove the oil cap and coil pack cover. The coil pack is held in by two T40 Torx bolts. Undo and remove the loom connector. The cover takes a bit of wiggling, but will come free. Clean up the top of the cylinder head before refitting to ensure that you get a good seal. Remove the old seal, clean and refit the new one. Be careful when refitting and ensure the gasket doesn't move or get pinched. Once you are sure it is seated correctly, you can go ahead and retorque the cover bolts. Do not over tighten them. Then refit the coil pack, connector and loom. All completed, now leak free.